Okay, so what's going on, guys? It's Nando back with one more video, and we talking Sony RX100 Mark VI, things I like. Here we go. So I'm shooting this video in 4K. I got 5 minutes to make this video, and I'm okay with that because I actually like that. I'm not a hater on that. I don't know how many people out there actually shoot 4K for longer than 5 minutes from an average consumer point of view. I know obviously bigger budgets, people with higher value productions, bigger YouTube channel, whatever it is, I'm sure you'll find a need to shoot 4K for a lot longer than 5 minutes. However, for your average mom, pop, average person like myself, 5 minutes is plenty. Why? Because at 5 minutes of 4K, you're going to have a pretty large file. You're going to be looking at probably 4 to 5 to 6 gigs worth of data. So you shoot more than 5 minutes, and that thing is going to take a long time to actually transfer to your computer and upload. So for me, 5 minutes of 4K is actually a pro. It kind of keeps me within that how important or how valuable is what I'm trying to shoot. 4K, what you're seeing right now is with the RX100 Mark VI in 4K. Am I in focus? Y'all let me know in the comment section below. When I'm looking at the screen, the little square actually follows me around. That's pretty dope. So there's that. Second thing I love about this camera is that reach, because that's what makes the Mark VI different than the Mark V. Straight up, is that reach. Check this out. Let's see if we can actually get some reach here. So we're at this golf course right here, shooting 4K 30 frames per second. Let me show you that reach. Look at that reach. Look at that reach, guys. Look at the reach. There's the pin. There's the hole. Happy Gilmore here. That's beautiful, isn't it? That's some good stuff, right? So I don't know what's going on, but my memory card keeps filling out on me, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to finish this video outside. I might have to finish it inside. So there you have it. The reach on the RX100 Mark VI is ridiculous. The 4K is sweet. And to me, the final thing that makes this worth it all is the fact that it's so small that you can throw it in your bag and kind of forget it. Now, if you see my previous video, I did talk about the form factor being a negative, but from a perspective of how it actually fits in your hand and kind of slips. But size-wise, the fact that you can take this bad boy and just throw it in your bag and forget about it is crucial. Also, the fact that this thing has probably the best autofocus on probably by far any point and shoot, and arguably against a lot of cameras out there, mirrorless cameras as well, micro 3/4 sensors, blah, 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 APS-C, whatever you want to call them. The autofocus on this thing is ridiculous. I see the box around my head, and as I turn, it turns just like that. So there you have it, guys. Just a quick, this is what I like about this camera. Let me know in the comment section below if you're considering it, if you have the RX100 Mark V or any other point and shoot, or if this is kind of going to be your one-stop shop for camera going forward. And we'll go from there. Like always, guys, stay geeky. It's the most important thing to do. It was Nando. Peace. Salute.